Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Goan Girl. I hope you guys are fine and safe. So today's video is going to be another cooking video. When we speak about Goa, Goa has a wide range of food items which are healthy and tasty as well. So in this video I will be sharing with you a recipe that is onion rava bakri or we also call it as kanyachi bakri. So this dish has got so many names. So from one taluka to another taluka, it has got different names given to it. Some call it as kanyachi bakri, some call it as rava bakri, some call it as kanyachi rava bakri. So there are different types of names given for it. But if we look at the dish, it appears to be the same. Some people use different ingredients or add some more ingredients. Onion rava bakri is an Goan authentic bread recipe that is made for breakfast as well as a tea time snack. It is very easy to be prepared. So it has a crispy layer from outside and from inside it is very soft and tasty. Bakri is nothing but it is a flat round bread. So people use different type of flours to prepare this bakri. For example, people use bajra, rice flour or even ragi flour. So it depends on what type of bakri they prefer to have. Now for me, I am going to use the rava or semolina to prepare this rava onion bakri. So this particular rava bakri is very common in Goan household. Goans prefer to eat this bakri during their breakfast as well as tea time snack. And the best part is that this particular bakri doesn't need lot of preparation. It is easy. You don't have to pre-plan anything. And I remember when I was in school, my mom used to prepare this and give it as a lunch box, tiffin box. So thus it is like my favorite thing that I prefer eating. It is very healthy. You can also serve this for your children at home because it is very healthy. And when you use certain things which are healthier, then anybody can eat it. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. Ingredients are as follows. 1 cup semolina or rava. This is fine rava. 1/4 cup freshly grated coconut. Here I am using 3 green chilies. You can increase or decrease the amount of chilies you would like to use. If you want it to be more spicy, you can increase the amount of chilies. It's finely chopped. Half finely chopped onion. 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery. You can also use sugar. Since jaggery is more healthier than sugar, I am using jaggery. 1/4 cup of chopped coriander. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. This is optional. If you don't want to use egg, you can skip it. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. This is also optional. If you don't want to use turmeric powder, you can skip this. Oil. Water as required. The first step is take a clean bowl. Add the semolina in it. Add the grated coconut. Then add the chopped onion. Add the green chilies. After adding green chilies, also add coriander. Now add jaggery. If you don't want it to be too sweet, you can decrease the amount of jaggery you want to use. Then add the egg. As I have said, egg is an optional thing. If you don't want it, you can skip it. Then add the turmeric powder. And the last thing is salt. Now we have to mix all this ingredient, and for mixing we are going to use water. So we have to add water as required. The consistency should be thick. So according to the consistency, you have to add water. So the consistency should be somewhat like this. So once all the ingredients are mixed properly, you have to cover and keep it for 5 minutes. We keep it for 5 minutes so that the rava gets soaked well with the water. Put the flame on and keep the pan. Let the flame be low. Been 5 minutes, so now let us open. Give it a mix. Now it is ready to be fried. Sprinkle some water. Put some oil on the pan. With the help of a spatula, put some of the mixture on the pan. Apply little pressure so that the mixture gets set on the pan well. While spreading the dough, make sure that it is neither too thick nor too thin. You can also use your hands to do this. Once you feel it is done, turn the sides. While turning, make sure you put some oil on the pan. Once it is fried well, turn the sides and check if it is fried properly. Once it is fried well, you can take it out on a plate. And this is how our rava onion bhakri looks like. You can serve it with green chutney. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do press the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. So see you soon guys with another video. By then, bye bye, take care and be safe.